Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this UAG product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we're going to be doing a UAG glass shield tempered glass screen protector install on my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Actually a dummy device, but it's been the perfect tool and representation of the real deal. Some of you may be asking, why would you put a tempered glass screen protector on a dummy device? And that's an easy answer. Look, folks, I'm reviewing a lot of cases from a lot of different companies, and I want to make sure that the tempered glass screen protectors are going to work with the cases that I'm reviewing. So far, the Banks Glass Warrior is a pass. The Poetic tempered glass screen protector that's currently on this dummy device has worked with a lot of different cases from a lot of different companies. It is a pass as well, alongside of the Glass Warrior from Banks. Today, the official glass shield from UAG, not only is it going to go up against its own cases from UAG, and we want to make sure that it's going to work with those other cases from other companies. Folks, that's a lot of information, but I want to make sure that I don't skip a beat when it comes to everything that I'm reviewing and the purpose that I'm reviewing these products. We know that products like the Glass Shield should 100% work with its own cases from UAG, but will it work with other cases? And that's very important when you're spending your hard-earned money. With that being said, let's look at the information here. 2 times strengthened tempered glass, advanced anti-fingerprint glass shield from UAG on the back.
Double straightened tempered glass, advanced anti-fingerprint coating, scratch resistant, reinforced edges, ultra clear high definition, included applicator and cleaning kit.
All the information to purchase the glass shield from UAG will be down below in the description area. Always knife away from you, never towards you, folks. Okay, let's see. And the winner is... You do have some instructions here, so please read everything. Again, folks, I always say this in every video when it comes to information. Read everything. Do not skip a beat. And here is the frame that's going to make it so much easier. Well, let's call it what it is, the applicator kit. It's just going to make it easier to apply the tempered glass screen protector. Here is your dust absorbers, cleaning wipe, the wet wipe, and a microcloth there. And here is the star of the show. Now, typically I like to do this upstairs in my dining room because there is a lot more dust, just stuff flying around here in my YouTube area in comparison to upstairs in the dining room area. But we're going to do this, okay? I also use this little type of rubbery pad. Find something that you can keep your device from moving around too much. Now, it's not perfect, but it works a little bit better than just having the S26 Ultra on my desk pad here. Dust removal film. UAG brand name right there. That's pretty cool. I like that. Your alcohol prep wipe. Okay, so it's going to be that way. Okay. And just so you know, there is no front camera cutout, or every once in a while you get that little U-shaped cutout up top. This is going to cover everything as far as the flat AMOLED display and the front-facing camera. I'm going to speed up the video a little bit, play some music, and then we'll get a good look at how everything looks once the install is over with. And then I will test out a couple cases from a couple other companies so you can see that you're not going to have any issues with the glass shield tempered glass screen protector from UAG. All right, without further ado, let's do this. Everything looks great. It is a little bit off right in here, just kind of shifted over a little bit. But outside of that, I'm pretty sure that I'm not going to have any issues. That's another reason I like doing it upstairs. It's just a little difficult to work over my smartphone that I'm using to shoot this video with, or any video with, doing tempered glass screen protectors installs here at my YouTube desk. But it looks great outside of that little shift, and there are some bubbles right there, but those will typically work themselves out, or eventually I'll just use my thumb and get them out. But for the sake of video time, yeah, it looks pretty darn good to me. So I'm going to test a couple cases here. I got the green or teal UAG covert case here. So what we're looking for here is any kind of lifting on the corners, sides, top, bottom. That's a go. That's a go. Okay, so we'll put that over there. And here I have the VRS Glide Hybrid Black case, magnet for MagSafe, wallet, and kickstand. Just so you can see that. The Glide. Okay, you can go check out the full reviews on these cases. And again, no issues whatsoever.
Thumbs up. And what I'll do is review another case from UAG.
This is going to be the Essential Armor case, 15-foot drop tested, built-in magnet for MagSafe for your MagSafe accessories, translucent design, Essential Armor for the S26 Ultra, validated through rigorous military drop tested standards, lightweight protection, built-in magnet compatible with magnet accessories, enhanced corners, shock absorbing, hex pattern, and protective screen surround. Open up the UAG drawer. Always a very nice presentation. You can see the translucent hex design, honeycomb design, perfectly sculpted design to protect the back of your S26 Ultra, the magnetic ring or octagon shape, MagSafe magnet area there, so you can utilize all your different MagSafe accessories. Now, obviously, we're not going to be able to turn on the dummy device, but trust me, folks, everything's going to work. Power button, volume rocker, covered up, protected. Cutouts for a lanyard on the right-hand side and the left-hand side. Huge cutout for your S pin. Cutout for the speaker grill and your Huge cutout there for the USB Type-C charging port, and that extends over to expose the bottom mic. Lot of corner protection, folks. Those corners extend out, protrude out. In case you do drop your S26 Ultra on the ground, plenty of lip surrounding, that are going to surround all of those cameras. Flash and sensor, UAG brand name. That right there is a good looking case. All TPU material. Lots of flex going on here. Okay, that's nice. Well, actually right in here. So it's TPU, and then when it gets to right here, that's hard plastic polycarbonate material just right in there. Interesting. I like that. Plenty of grip, folks. Plenty of grip. It doesn't look like it, but there is plenty of grip. And if you are concerned, you got the lanyards. The lanyard will definitely help out a lot. And of course, no issues with the glass shield tempered glass screen protector. Up top, recessed area for the combo earpiece and speaker. A couple cutouts up top for the two top mics. And at the bottom, you can see how that area extends on over to expose the bottom mic. Your charging port area exposed, speaker and S Pen area. Plenty of overlapping material there to help protect the corner of your S26 Ultra and your S Pen. Definitely easy to get to that area. Plenty of lip surrounding the flat AMOLED display, along with the glass shield there. Flat surface is a little bit rough. You're good to go. Anything rougher than that, folks, please use your discretion. On the back, there is that lip action that rises above the cameras. Get a good look from this view here. You can see how the sensor, flash, and camera right in here sit a little bit lower than the three main cameras that are on that new camera platform there. Plenty of protection. Flat surface is a little bit rough. You're good to go. Anything rougher than that, again, use your discretion. If you are concerned, I would definitely look into purchasing some camera glass lens protectors. And the magnetic strength, I'll do a little bit of a spin. Folks, you will get charging with your MagSafe accessories. I still plug in. I'm old school. That's the shake. Okay, that's nice. Definitely a magnetic attraction there. And some UAG products here. I love this kickstand because I would use it like that or like that. That's a little more comfortable. So it just gives you a better hold with that little ring area there. And just being able to hold on to your S26 Ultra, sporting the Essential Armor case. It's not going anywhere, folks. Not going anywhere. I like that. Especially those of you that have a hard time holding on to your smartphones. So this is where you can go into kickstand mode, portrait mode, okay, landscape mode. Very nice. Very nice. Great tool here. Okay, and here we have the UAG 10,000 milliamp battery pack, which is a big boy and it is heavy. So yes, it will attach to the back of the Essential Armor case with your S26 Ultra. And yes, it can detach. Again, this is a heavy boy, but what you want is a regular hold, okay? You want a decent hold. If I really wanted to, I could separate the two by doing a hard shake, but that's not what I want to do. You just want to make sure you're going to get that magnetic attraction, that hold, and so you can get the charge you need if you're on the go. And it is a kickstand, so definitely really cool. Portrait mode, landscape mode. So yeah, definitely a really nice way to go as far as being able to utilize MagSafe accessories with the Essential Armor case for your S26 Ultra. Okay, any questions? Please ask, especially when it comes to the glass shield tempered glass screw protector, and you can see it's easy to remove the case and put back on, just so I show you that, because a lot of you love to see that. Okay. Anyway, any questions at all? Anything I didn't show that you wanted to see, please ask, and I'll do my best to answer in a timely fashion. But definitely a go with the glass shield, tempered glass screw protector. Yeah. UAG, huge shout out to you. Thank you very much for the opportunity. To all of you for watching this video, taking the time to support. Show me some love. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.